Hello guys, I welcome you back to this YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get 5,000 US dollar free funded accounts that you can start your Forex journey with. And this free funded account comes with a price, right? And this is a bonus that I have made a video about before, but I am making this video again so that you can get the opportunity to kick off your year with it. All right, that's a wonderful opportunity to start your year with. And if you are new to this channel, if this is your first time of coming across this channel, make sure you like this video, share it with your friends so that they can also benefit from it. And also, most importantly, hit the subscription button so that you can get notified when I drop videos relating to how you can make money online, and also to keep me motivated so that I can drop videos for you guys on how you can make money online, right? And also drop a comment below telling the location you are from so that I can know the video I'll be dropping next. Alright, so without any further ado, let's dive into how you can get this wonderful opportunity. So first thing first, I'll be dropping 3 links in the comment section and also in the description menu. One of the link is for this bonus, and the two other link is for the class I'll be holding very soon, which is on WhatsApp, and another one for our Telegram community where I drop updates concerning these bonuses that I'm dropping on this channel, and also where I drop my daily signals. Alright, do well to join so that you can join the community of traders. Alright, so after clicking on the link, it's going to take you to a page like this. All you just have to do is to click on participate now. As you can see on the screen, click on this, participate now, and after clicking on it, you wait for it to load. So it's going to take you here where you sign up with your email and password. Alright, if you have not registered, all you just have to do is to click on register here. Click on register here. So that's if you have not registered. Alright, so I'll just do this very quickly. Alright, so as you can see, I have signed up and this is their homepage. So there are different opportunities here. Alright, so we have Trade Master Cup and we also have free right here. So you have to click on free. Alright, you have to click on free. If you are going for Trade Master Cup, then you have to pay to participate. As you can see, you have to pay to participate in the bonus. Enroll fee is $35, but you have to click on free right here so that you don't have to pay anything to participate. Alright, so these are the competition upcoming, and we have in progress, we have the finished ones. So what we are looking for is the upcoming. Alright, so there's an upcoming competition which is coming up on the 32nd in the next 32 days, and there's another one coming up in the next 1 day. So if you are watching this video right now, all you just have to do is to click on enroll now. So click on enroll. Your request is processing, you wait for it to load. So now, as you can see, I've enrolled successfully. Alright, all you just have to do is to click on done right here. Done. So the next step for you to do is to log into your MetaTrader 5. I trust you all know how to do that. Just click on profile to get your login details and head over to your MT5 straight up and log in and start trading. You're going to find the rules and regulation attached to this wonderful opportunity on their website. Alright, so I think this is all you need to know about this bonus. If there's anything you need me to explain to you better, then drop in the comment section or message me directly. I will be happy to attend to you. Thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you and have a nice day.